Welcome to watch the Bluetimes Holiday Special. Today's program will explain matters related to software operation. Open the software and find the marking file we are going to load today. On the left side of the screen, you can customize the size of the adapter. Today, the sample we are marking is a keychain. Based on this, the size is set at 35.5 millimeters. Next, fill this line graph. On the right, we can also customize the options and set the power and speed according to the effect and accuracy you want. Let's load it now. It is worth noting that before officially marking, we will preview the machine red light to find the exact position. Welcome to watch Bluetimes today's program. See you next time. If you have any ideas, please leave a message in the comment area.